oh dear, what we have here. One arm of the balance shock spring just came out. It happens probably because the watch fell to the floor and let's say it broke. So let's fix it now. It's not a very complicated task, so let's unscrew the case back. Nice movement anyway, it is a Chinese movement from AliExpress or eBay. Sigul is T. So nothing complicated, very simple movement and quite big parts. Okay, we can see the balance wheel doesn't swing really well. I have here tweezers, very sharp one, and let's put this arm back to this lock. And well, now it's came out both arms of this balance shock spring. Okay, now I have. Let's be sure that it is in this lock. Okay, the balance wheel started to swing much better. Okay, let's screw back the see-through case back and we are finished. We can still wear the watch. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more content about watches and repairing watches on your own at home, please subscribe and stay alerted for new content. Take care. Bye bye.